Meaning of fastening.
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 Fastening. Fastening refers to the act of securely joining or attaching two or more objects together. It can involve the use of various materials, such as nails, screws, bolts, clips, or adhesives, and may be done manually or with the aid of tools. The result of fastening is typically a stable and durable connection between the objects, which can serve a variety of purposes, from holding structures in place to securing clothing or accessories. Fastening plays an important role in many industries, including construction, manufacturing, fashion, and more.